Hi, I am R. Sri Murugan. Today we are going to see abrasives, machining and broaching. In this, grinding is the most common factor in this abrasive machining. It is a material cutting process which engage and abrasive use the cutting tool elements. This is the elements or the grains of the abrasive material is known as grit. These grits are characterized the sharp cutting points, high hot hardness and chemical stability, wear resistance, and grits are held together by a suitable bonding material to give a shape of an abrasive tool. What is the definitions of that? Abrasive machining is a material removal process that involves use of abrasive cutting tools. Therefore, it is used for finishing a job. When the job is finished, for example, when we are finishing the drill bits, we are produce the drill bit. After that, we have to grind the drill bit. So, by using these abrasive tools, we are grind the drill bit. So, that is called grinding. This is 0.25 to 0.5 mm material has to be removed. Abrasive process. Bonded abrasive tools. Abrasive grains are closely packed into the different shapes. The most common is the abrasive wheel. Grains are held together to bonding the material. Abrasive machining process that use bonded abrasive includes grinding, bonding and super finishing. Coated abrasive tools. Abrasive grains glue onto the flexible cloth, paper or resin backing. Coated abrasives are available in sheets, rolls and endless belts and process of abrasive belts, grinding, abrasive wire cutting. Free abrasives. Abrasive grains are not bonded or glued. Instead of, they are introduced either in the oil based fluids, for example lapping. What is that lapping? We have to mix in that the abrasives are mixed in that oil and then apply on that lapping area, then we are removing the material. So that one is called lapping. Or else water jet machining. The abrasives are added in that water, then the water is the forces is given on through the water, then it is doing. So that one is abrasive jet machining. Regardless in the form of the abrasive tool, the machining operations consider all the abrasive operations can be considered as a material removal process with geometrically undefined cutting edges. The series of randomly shaped instantaneous cutting edges. Abrasive machinings can be likened to the other machining operations with multi-cutting tools. Each abrasive grain acts like a small single cutting tool with undefined geometry, but usually with high negative rack angle. Abrasive machining involves number of operations used to achieve the ultimate dimensional precision and surface finish. Grinding is a material removal process in which abrasive particles are contained in bonded grinding. Wheel that operates at very high surface speeds. The grinding wheel is usually disc shaped and is balanced with high rotational speeds. Grinding wheels. A grinding wheel consists of abrasive particles and bonding material. The bonding materials holds the particles in the place and establishes the shape and structure of the wheel. The way of abrasive grains, bonding material, and air gaps are structured dimensions the parameters of grinding wheel, which are abrasive material, grain size, bonding material, wheel grid, and wheel structure. What is that grain size? The grain size of the abrasive particle is an parameter on determining the surface finish and material removal rate. Small grid sizes produces better finishes, while larger grain sizes larger material removal rates. Various elements of grinding wheel. The grinding wheel is a multi-point cutting tool having the abrasive particles bonded together and so forming a structure. The various main elements of grinding wheel are abrasive bonds and structures, which are grinding wheel abrasives. Generally, there is a natural abrasives and artificial abrasives. Natural abrasives. There are the few examples of natural abrasives, which includes solid quartz, that is emery sheet, corundum, and diamond. Diamond is not recommended to use as an abrasive due to the cost effectiveness. However, the diamond dust, which the waste of the diamond dressing operations, can be used apparatus. Natural is the sandstone in the one natural abrasive used to make a grinding stones. These are relatively soft. These cannot be used for grinding of odd material and faster speed. Emery sheet is a natural aluminum oxide, contain 55 to 65% alumina, rest are iron oxide and impurities. If the percentage of aluminum oxide is more, ranging from 75 to 95%, then it is called corundum. It consists of impurities remaining amount. Both emery and corundum are harder than the quartz, can be have a better abrasive action. Normally, natural abrasives are not preferred due to the larger impurities and lack of uniformity in constituents, as both of these things influence performance of grinding wheel abrasively. Then artificial abrasives. Main artificial abrasives are silicon carbide, aluminum oxide. Artificial abrasives are preferred manufacturing the grinding wheels because of their uniform and purity. Artificial abrasives are silicon carbide. It is also carborundum. It is manufactured from 56 parts of the silicon sand and 34 parts of the powdered cake and 2 parts of the salt and 12 parts of the sawdust, along with the rectangular electric furnace resistance type. The sand furnishes the silicon, cake furnishes the carbon, Sawdust makes the charge of the whereas salt helps for using it. There are two types of silicon carbide abrasives: green grit approximately 97% silicon carbide and black grit approximately 95% of the silicon carbide. It is harder than the diamond and less tougher than the aluminum oxide. It is used for grinding material low tensile strength like cemented carbide, stone and ceramic, Greek cast iron and brass and aluminum, vulcanized rubber, etc. Aluminum oxide. It is prepared by heating the mineral bauxite, hydroxide, aluminum oxide, clay containing the silica, iron oxide, titanium oxide mixed with ground coke and iron boring in a arc type electric furnace. Aluminum oxide is the tough fracture resistance. It is preferred for grinding materials, higher tensile strength like steel, carbon, high speed steel, and tough bronze. Abrasive materials 97 to 99% aluminum oxide and 87 to 96 aluminum oxide, hardened steel, high speed steel, cast iron. This is a white, pink, brown. 96 to 99% silicon carbide, 96% silicon carbide, high speed steel, cemented carbides, aluminum, brass, and brittle materials. This is a green and black. The cubic boron nitride is the tool steels, aerospace alloys, synthetic diamond, ceramic, and cemented carbides. Various bonded materials used for grinding beads. Bonds that is a vertify bond, silicate bond, shellac bond, resinoid bond, rubber bond, oxychloride bond. Vertify bond. This bond is consists of the clay and water. The clay abrasive or thoroughly mixed with the water and make as a uniform mixture. The mixture is mounted molded to the shape of grinding wheel and dried up to take it out from the mold. Perfectly shaped wheel is heated in the just like the brick making. This way of clay vertifies with fuses from the porcelain glass grains. High temperature also does annealing of abrasive. The wheel possesses a good strength and porosity to allow high stock removal with coal cutting. Disadvantages of this type of wheel are: it is sensitive for heat, water, oil, and acids. Their important and bending strength are also now this the symbol of vertical bond is denoted by V. Advantages: it is not affected the water and acids and oil. The structure of the wheel is uniform due to wet mixing of different constituents. Disadvantages: the proper control during the fusion becomes difficult. The process of manufacture is very slow. Silicate bond. The silicate bonds are mixing abrasive particles with silicate soda or water glass. It is molded to the required shape, allowed to dried up, then taken out of the mold. The raw molded wheel is baked in the furnace about 200 degrees centigrade in several days. The wheel exhibits proofing properly, then so this can be used as a coolant. S is the specification of this silicate bond. Shellac bond. In this is prepared by mixing the abrasives with shellac and the molding by ruling and pressing by heating up to 150 degrees centigrade for several hours. The bond exhibit great elasticity than the other bonds with appreciable strength. Grinding wheels having the shellac bond are recommended for cool cutting on hardened steel and thin section finishing, chilled iron, cast iron, steel rolls, hardened steels, cams and aluminum pistons. This bond denoted by E in the specifications. Resinoid bond. These bonds are prepared by mixing the abrasives, synthetic resins like backlights and redmanal and the compounds. The mix is molded to record shape and bake 200 degrees centigrade to give the perfect grinding wheel. These wheels are good capacity with high speed. These are precision grinding of cams, roll and other objects where the high precision of surface dimensions influence performance of the operations. A resinoid is denoted by the section B. This is the specified by the resinoid. Rubber bond. This is the rubber bonded wheels are made up by the mixing of abrasive and the rubber bond is the sulfur. After the mixture is rolled, the sheet and the wheel is are prepared by punching using die and punch. The wheels are vulcanized by heating, then the furnace for the short time. Rubber bonded wheels are more resilient and have a larger abrasive density. These are precision grinding and good surface finish. Rubber bond also prepared for making the thin wheels, good strength and toughness. The associated with rubber bond is lesser heat resistance. Rubber wheel bonded is denoted by the specification or oxychloride bond. These bonds are processed by mixing the abrasives and oxides, chlorides of magnesium. The mixture is molded and baked in the furnace to give a shape of the grinding wheel. These grinding wheels are used for disc grinding operation. Any oxychloride bonded wheel is specified by the letter O in specification. The specification of grinding wheel, that is grind size. The number of provides ideas of grain abrasive. It is also called it as grit. The number of decided the basis number of holes in the inch of the length of the sieve used in the filter abrasive particles. Larger number indicates the grain sizes on the basis of the grains only. If it is the coarse 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 24 is there. Medium 30, 36, 46, 54, 60. Fine 80, 100, 120, 150, 180. Very fine 220, 240, 280, 320, 400, 500. These are all the grid size. The grain size is depends upon the quality of the material to be grounded, required quality of the surface finish, the hardness of the workpiece material. Find very fine grain size is used for the precision grinding. grade. The grade of the grinding wheel is indicative the oddness of the density of the bond abrasives E to Z. It may be soft. Soft may be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Medium I, J, K, L, N, M, O, P. Hard Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this is the coding grade. Selection of the grade depends upon the hardness of the work material, the grinding speed, contact area of grinding wheel with workpiece, the capability of grinding machine. The grinding wheels are named as a soft, hard or medium. Hard wheels depends upon their grade. The abrasive of hard grinding wheels blunt quickly so that recommended the grind workpiece the low hardness, and soft grinding wheels are recommended for the hardened workpieces. Then the structure of the grinding wheel. It includes the number of the abrasives and the process of unit volume. The distribution of the abrasives and bores decided the structure of the grinding wheel. On the basis of the structure, grinding wheels are called dense or open grinding wheel. In the case of dense grinding wheel, the abrasive particles are densed, packed as compared to open the grinding wheel with larger porosity. Generally, the grinding wheel is coded in number. High number indicate the structures of the grinding wheel. Dense structures is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open structure is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 or more. The selection of appropriate structure depends upon the hardness of the workpiece material, required the quality of the surface finish. And type of the grinding operation. Normally, open structure wheels are recommended for rough grinding and soft material. Dense structures grinding wheels are recommended for the brittle material. Then manufacturers. Selection of grinding wheel. Constant factors, physical and chemical properties of material to be ground, area of the conduct, amount and rate of stock to be removed, type of the grinding machine. Variables factors, work speed, wheel speed, condition of the grinding machine and personal factor, type of the grinding wheel. Reconditioning of grinding wheel. When you are keep on grinding, the materials are adhere with that on the cutting pieces, so that we have to reconditioning the grinding wheel. The recondition of grinding wheel by using the dressing, by using the diamond dresser. So the major inevitable defects of grinding wheel is glassing and of grinding wheel. The remedy of that grinding wheel, after the continuous using of grinding wheel becomes dull or glassed. The glassing of wheel is with the face cutting edge occurs the glass like appearance, that is cutting points of the abrasives become dull, worn down, bond. The glassing makes the grinding face of the wheel smoother, and that stops the process of grinding wheel. Sometimes the grinding wheel is left loaded. In this situation, its cutting face is found being adhering with the clips of the metal. The opening and pores of wheel face are found filled with workpiece material. Practical preventing grinding action. Loading takes place while grinding the workpiece of the softer material. Dressing. The remedies of glassing and loading and dressing of grinding wheels. The dressing removes the loading and breaks away the glassed surfaces, so the sharp abrasive particles can be formed again, ready for grinding. The different types of dressing operations of the grinding wheel is there, that it consists of number of the hardened steel wheel sharp points on the periphery. The total held the tool is held against the face of the revolving wheel and moved across the face of the dress of the wheel surface. Another type of the wheel dresser is the steel tube filled with bonded abrasives at the end of the tube against the wheel, move across the face. Turning tools. There is the steel cutter. This is used for roughly true course of the grid. Conventional abrasive on the ensure the freeness of cut. Verified the abrasive stick wheel. It is used for hand truing. Conventional abrasive wheel. These are used for truing the bonded shaper wheel. The steel carbide crash rod. It is used for the crash the profile verified bonding grinding wheel. Shape of the grinding wheel. Grinding wheels are having the different shapes. Adapt them for the use of the different types of grinding machines and different classes of work. These are classified the some groups on the basis of shapes and sizes. The shape of the grinding wheels are standardized so that those commonly in the tool room may be designated by number of the name or both. Some standard grinding wheels are as shown. One is the straight wheel. Some straight wheels are 1, 2, 3. They are used for the cylindrical, internal and centralized surface grinding. These wheels are vary in size, the diameter and width and the face. All parameters depends upon the clay of the work for the wheel is used, the size and the power of grinding machine using the wheel. Tapered face and the straight wheel. This is the slightly tapered facilitate the grinding and the gear tool. Cylindrical wheel ring. The cylindrical grinding wheel is having the type 5. This is the protection of the surfaces of grinding wheel with the help of the faces of the wheel. Cup wheel. That is the cup wheel. It is looks like the cup. There is the flat surface on the grinding wheel. Facing of flaring of cup wheel. The modified named flaring of cup wheel is the saucer wheel. There is a saucer wheel is used for sharpening the circular or bandsaw. Segmental wheel. The segmental wheel is normally used for the vertical spindle, rotary type and reciprocating type of the grinders. Dish wheel. Dish wheel is the grinding tools in the tool room. Then the size of the grinding wheel. The size of the grinding wheel is specified outer diameter, bore diameter, width and face. In addition, the geometry of the face of the grinding wheel also matter. It may be flat, pointed, concave or convex, etc. Mounting of wheels and the points. Mounted points, sometimes known as the mounted wheels, or grinding pins are commonly used as the grinding tools for internal grinding operations. Besides above application, these wheels can be used for deburring the tools and removing the recesses of material after machining process, smoothing out the casting rises, fins, and repair the wells. They come in various types and shapes to suit different applications. Materials such tungsten carbide and abrasives can be used for tool mounted tool made from the tungsten carbide or used for smoothing die cavities, chamfering corners for forming the fillets. Mounted tools using the abrasives include those are made aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, and diamond. Adhesive for deburring with abrasive also grinding the rubber such as fax machine controllers. The classification of grinding machine. Types of operation: tool grinders, cut-off grinders, precision grinder, rough grinders, and the types of surface grinder, cylindrical grinder, internal grinder, surface grinder, special purpose grinder, surface finishing grinders, and rough grinder, floor stand grinder, bench grinder, portable grinder, abrasive belt grinder, swing frame grinder, then precision grinder, cylindrical grinder, center type grinder, center type universal grinder, and centralized grinder, and internal grinder. Checking type of the grinders: planetary type grinders, centralized grinder, surface grinder, reciprocating table and horizontal spindle grinder, rotary table and horizontal spindle grinder, reciprocating table and vertical spindle grinder, rotary table and vertical spindle grinder, tool and cutter grinder, special purpose grinder. So these are all the types of the grinders are there. Rough grinding machine. In this rough grinding machine, there is a hand grinding machine is there. Then bench grinding machine is there. Floor standing grinding machine is there. Flexible shaft grinding machine is there. Swing frame grinding machine is there. Then abrasive belt grinding machine is there. Floor stand grinder. Simplest types of the grinder is the floor stand grinder with horizontal spindle with wheels using the both ends mounted on the base of the pedestal. This is the provision for driving the wheel spindle by a belt from the motor or the rear at a floor level. Frequently the wheel is mounted on that both the sides. So that one is the floor stand grinder. Bench grinder. This is the bench grinder, which is usually having the two wheels of two different grain sizes, roughing and finishing operations, and is secured to a workbench or floor stand. It uses include the shaping of tool bits or various tools need to be made to be repaired. Bench grinders are manually operated. The bench grinder is the type of bench grinding machine used to drive the abrasive wheels. The pedestal grinders is a larger version of the bench grinder, and that is mounted on a pedestal which is bolted to the floor. These type of the grinders are commonly hand grind cutting tools perform the rough grinding. Depending upon the grinding wheel, it may be sharpening cutting tool and lathe tools, drill bits. Alternatively, it may be used roughly shaped metal, prior, welding or fitting. The wire brush of the wheel buffing and can be interchanged with grinding wheels in order to polish the workpieces. The grinding wheel is designed should not be grinding the softer material like aluminum. Soft material gets logged on the pores of the wheel and expand the heat of the grinding. Belt grinder. The belt grinder is the usually used for machining the method process of metals and the other materials. With the aid of coated abrasive, sanding is the machining of wood. Grinding is a common machining of metals. Belt grinding is a versatile process of suitable for all kind of application, finishing, deburring, and stock removal. Portable grinder. Portable grinder is a small grinder. It is used for by the hand. It can be carried out from the place to place. It has the small electric motor. The motor is having the grinding wheel. It is attached to the one motor. The motor is supplied the power along the connected mains by using the plug. Large forging, welding projections can be removed by this grinding. Swing frame grinder. This type of the grinder is having the 2 to 3 meter length. Then the frame is suspended at the middle. The frame is swing above its joint of the point of suspension. One end of the frame is usually carries the grinding wheel, which is attached to the motor. The other end of the frame carries the dead balancing weight. The handle is provided at the wheel end. By using the handle, the operator can apply the wheel on the workpiece of rough grinding. The grinder is used generally uneven grinding of large castings and forging. The grinder is generally suspended by the crane and to be removed can be moved anywhere. Precision grinding. Precision grinding is negligible amount of metal. It is used to produce and finish the parts accurate dimensions. Depending upon the geometry of the workpiece, the position at the workpiece is to be grind. It can be categorized external grinding, internal grinding, surface grinding, form grinding, centralized grinding. Then each above categories can be further classified, which will be on the basis of mounting of grinder in categorized on the floor grinder, which can be installed on the floor. On the basis of the position of the spindle, categorized the horizontal spindle environment which the operation of the grinding is done. The grinding operations are classified by dry grinding and wet grinding. When the cutting fluid is spread over the workpiece, the wheel face sides, it has the wet grinding. Commonly, it is used for fixing the fluid soda water. The temperature of the grinding wheel reaches up to 200 degrees centigrade in the case of grinding the hot materials. Use of the fluid over lowers down the temperature and so promotes the wheel life. However, in the case of dry grinding, no coolant is used. It is generally used when the workpiece is not very hard and grinding time also small. Normally, dry grinding produces the two undesirable effects and discoloration and burring, which is eliminated in the case of the wet grinding. In some of the grinding machines are identified on the basis of the specific uses. Such grinders are called special purpose grinder like crankshaft grinder, piston grinder, roll grinder, cam grinder, thread grinder, whey grinders, tool post grinder, and there are the cylindrical grinding machine, that is the plain and center type cylindrical grinding machine, universal grinding machine, centerless cylindrical grinding machine. Plain type cylindrical grinding machine, this is the machine is similar to the centrally purpose. The workpiece is held between the headstock and tailstock. The disc of type of the grinding wheel performing the action of the peripheral surface. Both transverse and plunge grinding can be carried. Usually, the universal cylindrical grinding is similar to the plain grinder on except that is more versatile. In addition of the small work of the swivel machine, large swivel is the headstock, the wheel head, and wheel is mount on the wheel head slide. The external centerless grinder. The grinding machine is the production in which the outside of diameter of the workpiece is ground. The workpiece is not held between the centers. By this work is supported bleed. It is rotated by means of regulating the wheel, the ground, the grinding wheel. This is the through feed centerless grinding, regulating and revolving the each and the lower speed, surface speed than the grinding wheel control the rotation of the longitudinal motion of the workpiece. Regulating the wheel is kept slightly inclined to the axis of the grinding wheel, and the work speed is longitudinally. This is advantages. The work is supported throughout its entire length, so there is no chatter or deflection. The size of the job can be controlled easily by regulating the wheel. This process best suited of the mass productions, since the process is continuous and rapid. An excellent accuracy and fine surface finish can be achieved. There is no distortion of the workpiece during grinding. A wide range of the components can be ground. A very little skill is required for the operator. Large grinding wheels can be used. Very little maintenance of the machine. Fairly wide range of the components can be ground. Then disadvantages: the work with flats and keyways cannot be ground. Workpieces with steps and multiple diameter cannot be ground easily. In hollow work, there is no certainty that outside diameter will be concentric with inside diameter. Surface grinding: the surface grinding machines are generally used for generating the flat surfaces. These machines are similar to milling machine in construction, as well as the motions are basically four types of the machines of the spindle directions and table motions. The horizontal spindle and rotating table of grinding machine, the vertical spindle or and rotating table in the grinding machine, the horizontal spindle and reciprocating table grinding machine, and vertical spindle in the reciprocating table grinding machines. The wheel is given crossfeed motion at the end of the each table motion. In this machine, the wheel should over the travel of the workpiece at both ends to prevent grinding wheel removing the metal at the same work spot during the table reversal. The vertical spindle machines are generally bigger capacity. The diameter of the wheel is wider than the workpiece, and as a result, no transverse feed is required. The horizontal spindle rotating table grinding machine. The principles of the operation is same as finishing of lathe. The machine has limitation in accommodation of workpiece, therefore does not have a spread use over by swiveling work table. The surface can be produced individual part. Vertical spindle rotating table grinding machine. The principles of grinding machine. The machine is most suitable for small work pieces in a large quantities. This primarily production type machine often uses two or more grinding aids, thus enabling both roughing and finishing in one revolution of the work table. Horizontal spindle and reciprocating table grinding machines. The various motions required for the grinding action. A disc type of grinding wheel performs the grinding action with peripheral surface. The both transfers of plunge grinding can be carried out as the machine. There is the workpiece is clamped on the rotating work table using the magnetic chuck on the picture. The grinding wheel rotates about the vertical axis. It may be the cup or the cylindrical types. For the faster stock removal, the wheel aid is lower down, giving the depth of cut. This grinding machine is used for the flat surfaces for the medium work. Vertical spindle table grinding machine. The grinding machine with all working motions. The grinding operation is similar to the face milling operation, vertical milling operation. This machine is cup shaped wheel grinds the workpiece in the full depth of cut. At the same time, consequently, higher material rate may be attained than for the grinding the peripheral area. Then the centralized grinding machine, the grinder is similar to the cylindrical grinder, but in this grinder the work instead of facing or mounted between the center, and it is supported by combination of grinding wheel and regulating of wheel, and the work is rest on the table it is provided for the heavy base of the two wheel aids. Larger head carries the grinding wheel and smaller one carries the regulating wheel. The workpiece rest on the blade of the work is rest between these two wheels. Each head carries the separate wheel turning mechanisms, and for the wheel it carries the housing is provided outside the machine body to the house main driving motor. There are the two control panels on the front. Left panel carries the control speed arrangement. The right panel carries the hydraulic mechanisms and the speed adjustment and regulating wheels or automatic working cycle switch. Start and stop the switches in the operation is performed for the grinding wheel only with the functions for regulating wheel to provide the required support to the workpiece when it is pushed away the cutting pressure of grinding wheel. This helps the workpiece remains in contact with the grinding wheel. Then there is a grinding machine, the centralized grinding machine, the production which is used for the outside diameter. The workpiece is ground. The workpiece is held, not held between the center support of the blade. Then the rotated by means of regulating wheel, grounded by grinding wheel in through feed, centerless grinding in regulating wheel, revolving at a much lower surface of the speed than the grinding wheel, controls the rotation of and longitudinal motion of the workpiece. The regulating wheel is kept slightly inclined to the axis of grinding wheel. The workpiece is held longitudinally. Then the parts of the barrel diameter of the ground by the centerless in-feed grinding and the operation of plunge grinding, and the workpiece is taper surface. The grinding wheel is or the regulating wheel both require correctly profiled to get the required taper surface. Then internal grinding machine. Chucking type of internal grinding machine, planetary internal grinding machine, centerless internal grinding machine. Chucking type of internal grinding machine, there is the workpiece is usually mounted in the chuck. The magnetic face plate can also use a small grinding wheel, performs the necessary grinding with the peripheral surface. Both transverse plunger grinding is to be carried out. The planetary and internal grinder is where the workpiece is irregular shape and cannot be rotated conveniently. In this machine, the machine does rotate instead of grinding wheel orbits axis of the hole. The centerless internal grinding machine are used for grinding the cylindrical taper holes in the cylindrical parts. There is the workpiece is rotated between the supported roll. The pressure of the roll is regulating. The tool and cutter grinder. The tool is grinding may be divided into subgroups. Tool manufacturing of the resharpening. There are the many type of the cutter grinding machine is to meet these requirements. Simple and single tools are occasionally sharpened by the hand or bench or pedestal grinder. However, the tool and cutter with complex geometry, milling cutter and reamers and drill bits or machines are commonly known as the universal tool and cutter grinder. The present trend to use the cutter is CNC grind tool angle concentricity. What is the parameter of the grinding operation? Cutting speed, feed and depth of cut. This is the parameter of the grinding operations. The cutting speed and the grinding wheel, the relative peripheral speed of the wheel with respect to the workpiece, it is expressed by the meter per minute. That is V is equal to pi dn divided by 1000 mpm, that is meter per minute. D is the diameter of the wheel, n is the number of the rotation, that is rpm. V will be the if n is number of revolution per second, V will be the mps. Then the feed rate. The feed rate is significance cylindrical grinding and the surface of grinding. The feed rate is defined as the longitudinal movement of the workpiece related to the axis of grinding wheel per revolution of grinding wheel. Maximum feed rate is 0.9 time of the phase with grinding wheel. For rough grinding of the finish the grinding, the feed cannot be equal or more than the grinding wheel. Depth of cut, that is, depth of cut is the thickness of the layer of the metal removal in the one pass. It is measured in mm. Normally the depth of cut is kept ranging 0.05 or 0.04 mm. Small depth of cut is used for the finishing the precision grinding. Then the cutting fluids in grinding. The application of cutting fluids has been found to be effective in reducing the adverse thermal effects and high work temperatures. All cutting fluids can be used for the coolant in grinding operations, and so these can also be named as the grinding fluids. Normally the grinding fluids are water based fluids, oil based fluids. Water based fluids are remove the heat of the grinding zone, but these do not provide any lubrication to the grinding zone. However, the oil based fluids are provide the lubrication properties, also the high specific heat. The examples of water based fluids involve the chemicals into the water, sulfur, chlorine and phosphorus, etc. The examples of oil fluids are petroleum, animal and vegetables. Then they can be immunize the oil suspended in the water in the form of droplets. Cutting fluids can be recycled flow after filtering them, separating out the chips and dirt. Then diamond truing. The angle of the single point diamond truing tools is a straight face of turning truing. This is made up of setting of high quality and single crystal into a usually cylindrical shank of the specific diameter and length by bracing or casting around the diamond. During the solidification, the contraction of bonding of material is more than the diamond and later held mechanically as the result of contraction of metal around it. Some application of single point is multi diamond tool is truing. That is, in the case of truing, consists of number of small but whole diamond of sum of all which contract with the abrasive wheel. At the same time, the diamond particles are the surface and set the metal binder. It is possible to make such tool with one layer or multi-layer configurations. Normal range of diamond is used for the small 0.0 to 0.5 carat. These tools are suitable for heavy and very tough operations. Then impregnated diamond truing tools. These wheels of the tool is consist of crushed and graded diamond powder mixed with metal powder sintered. The diamond particles are not individually set in the pattern but are distributed evenly throughout the matrix of the same, and the abrasive wheels consist of the abrasive grinds and bonding agent. The size of the diamond particles are maybe 80 to 600 microns. By using considerably diamond grit and smaller sections of it is possible to true shape and fine grit grinding wheel. The use of the crushed diamond product ensures that there are always many sharp points in use. Is the same time tools mainly used for fine grinding, profile grinding, and thread grinding, cylindrical grinding, tool grinding. Then rotary truing methods. Hence the diamond particles are set by hand predetermined pattern. Then the sintered metal bond is used in the case of when this truing wheel is designed for high productions and automated operations. Impregnated turning wheels and truing wheels. In the case of these diamond particles distributed over the random patterns for the various depth of the metal matrix. This type of the rule find its best applications where the excess metal wheel surfaces must be dressed off. Electroplated truing wheel. In this truing, the wheel is diamond particles or bonded wheels which is galvanizedly deposited on the metal layer. The main advantages of this technique is that molded is necessary to fabricate the diamond truing like the surfaces impregnated truing wheel. The diamond form truing block can be either diamond metal bond or electroplated. The braced type diamond truing block also come as an alternative electroplated one. They can be simple and flat piece of metal plated with diamond straight faced wheel of common contain form of the self peripheral truing wheels are used exclusively for horizontal spindle surface grinder generate the specific form. Truing is the process of becoming the one break of the different parts. Dressing of super material. The modern technique of electrochemical dressing has been successfully in the metal bonded super abrasive wheel. The wheel acts like anode while the cathode plate can in the front of the wheel working surface allow the electrochemical dissolutions. The balancing of grinding wheel. Due to the continuous grinding wheel may be become balanced, it cannot be balanced either by truing or dressing. Hence it is important to explain the meaning of balance wheel. It is coincidence of center mass of the wheel with its axis rotations. The wheels which are out of the balance is produces the poor surfaces of the surfaces put under the strain on the grinding machine. The balancing of wheel is normally done at the time of mounting of the grinding machine with the help of moving around the recessed flange. The geometrical of the grinding wheel, compositional grinding wheel. This is decided this type of the grinding machine and the grinding operations to be performed in the workpiece. The specification is mainly includes the wheel diameter, then the width and depth of the rim and bore diameter. The wheel diameter is example of the 400 mm high efficiency grinding as than the 1 mm in the internal grinding, and similarly the wheel may be less than the dicing and slicing. The applications, the standard configurations of the conventional of the shaper of the abrasive grindings. Okay, thank you.